BrickFest this year was amazing with a lot of hands-on building things, such as a floor mural, such as you see here, where you got your own build plate and got to make it yourself, and this is mine. And as you can see, it's part of Captain America's shield, which is on the right side of the thing. And as you can see, this is the guy putting my tile down. But it wasn't just about the floor thing. They also, if you were a VIP, got to build this little Lego BrickBot, which is their logo. And then there was a lot of photo opportunities with life-size Legos. And 3D printed Lego men were also there that were huge. Here's some more examples of those 3D printed Lego men. This is a miniaturized version of Las Vegas, which was also at BrickFest. And you could also stand for photo ops with Archimedes, a samurai, and an Egyptian person. And on the topic of if the VIP was worth it, I would say yes, because you got to support the amazing people who put this show together, because otherwise they would be doing it for nothing, which meant that they couldn't do it anymore. And also because you would get mailed sometimes some Lego sets that are like mini Star Wars sets, which are really fun to put together and sort of valuable.